can too if you want to. So you can do more than just one swipe. Do you want a darker? You can work it a little bit more. Super easy. That's now it's done. You can hear beep beep. So if you want to lay another colors, you want to wait until it's all like shiny, wet, and it's not setting yet until it's completely going matte. And we're gonna just need to use only one tools for the fusioning is crystal clears. So I have it closer here so you can see it, and wipe off pretty much almost excess that crystal clear, and start drawing it. So freaking simple, easy to do. I'm so enjoying it. This is the simplest way on earth to do the fusionings, marble ink. You will never have troubleshootings with bleedings, problems with the colors, and you don't have to worry about they're all like blending together. Simple, you don't even need any tool, just your crystal clears. That's gonna be your bestie. If you want to draw the vein, just keep it going up. Move like right on the sides. Cleaning up and tap it just gentle. Don't need a whole lot. There you go. You want more, you can add more. Super cute. And then I am going to using gel painting, jet black. But you know what? Let me using this and how playing. Like for instance, if you don't have a tinter brush, I'm excited for this one. Earlier, Vicky had really cool box openings, so stunning with. And she showed off this too. So I said, Vicky, this for you. I'm excited about this. A thinner viscosity than a gel painting. But look at that. I can draw really tiny from a precision brush. And I'm using on my hands right now is the precision brush gel painting. And a little bit thinner density, which is awesome. Either one, if you have your gel painting a black jet black, it's great. If you don't have it, this one is great because Sarah was saying it doing a black French with this. And I think I did, what did I do with this? Oh, I did drawing, I think the rose with this. Sorry, Facebook. All right, so I think I might want a little bit more on this one. Just to share with you, like if you're doing your friends with this, you can also do this. So cool. If you don't have a brush, just in case that you have the black precision gel painting, I'm gonna key it for 30 seconds. And this is so freaking stunning. And then there comes with two colors right now. It's in a white and a black. And it's perfect stretch brush for you. I usually doing it this jet black gel painting is really cool. Is hi Facebook, sorry, it was a it's just crash, I guess, for difficulty. So we back now, and I am going to using my, let's say, get going to with chamfer foil. Either one. This is a I hold this one. If you do that, you make sure you key it's really 60 seconds. So I'm putting out here, I'm gonna testing out later. But if you want to do it fast, 30 seconds, I'm gonna using my premiums I hold chamfer foil. That's a black bottles. If you are curious in what the difference between both of them. Hi Philosophy, how are you? Thanks so much for tuning in. What is the difference between Blossom Gel and Fusion Ink? Are they the same? For April, the Fusion Ink is basically alcohol ink, marble ink, like everybody will understand. It was have a, it's actually is alcohol base, so it vibrates as you work on. And but Blossom Gels is actually the gels products that it will help all that the gel polish or gel painting that you want to apply. After you apply the Blossom Gel, is gonna spread it out. And then, for instance, if you're drawing the roses, make it the rose blooming, it's spreading it out to make it really nice effect. But the Fusion Ink is a totally different. It's make a marble look. Hope it's make sense a little bit for you. And okay, so I'm gonna do using my chamfer foil gel. I'm gonna go into draw along with my black veins right here. You know what? It's gonna look good too. I was thinking maybe even dark green will look freaking stunning, or brown colors. Let's do it tomorrow. Let's experience it out tomorrow, because I know it's gonna look like really stunning. It's like contrast colors. So make sure if you draw the veins for the foil, draw a little bit more instead of just using less. Hopefully I got you. So you don't have to do all of them, but if you want all of them, you can't. So I was like bent down really close to see that, because I want to make sure I get the detail. Okay, great. So let me key it for 30 seconds. And I am using just touch for that. All right, 30 seconds on that. And I have a piece of super cute foil, all different hollow colors here. I am going to use that. Just a little piece of gold. I really like the hollows. So hollows stand out a lot more, I guess. Or it depends if the clients want just simple one. All right. Just gently press it on. Oh, I like. Stunning. So now you can do this with your all my stickers. I'm gonna do, you can do daisies, you can do you wanna see bumblebees again? Super cute bees. I want the bees, so she's so happy. I used quite a few of them. Even have this. I can use my Zactonite. You know, all these procedures at the salons, it doesn't take that much time. It takes like no time. I just cut it in half. Klaus Kinsey B, yes. I am getting it for you ladies. Just really simple. It's funny. Okay. Is it, wait. Hello, what do I do? Drop that one. This must be sunflowers if I don't get it wrong. Right? You think? It's one of my favorite flowers, sunflowers. You know why? Because it's so big and so bright. Never go wrong. Oh, she's cute. Look at her. Look like she's sleeping. Or she dreaming. I don't know. All right. And super cute. The other bee. Ladybugs? All right. Just maybe ladybugs. All right, so someone explain it to me. Why is this her head like that? Is she carrying something? I don't know. I don't know, so that's why I asked. But okay, so here's her face like this, super cute. And then now she's had the little, maybe she carrying something as her food? Anybody knows? I don't know. Look like dust, but I might be wrong, you know?
Like she's eating fruit out of a tree.
Huh?
Like she's some kind of fruit.
What is she doing?
Eating something.
Is she eating something? Oh, hey, Keija, how are you? Kenji, thank you. This is all bees and ladybugs. You know, we're all bugs, right? You know why? Because it's ladybugs. Sweet bee. Is it what? What do you mean we all bugs? You crazy? You know? All right. So good? Oh, this one's super cute. I don't know. I'm gonna get some flowers here. Maybe some leaf. See, so this is, I'm telling you, super, I don't know, even like people will say, oh, you guys crazy, you doing this. No. Super stunning stickers. If like Fufu sticker 20 years ago, then I might have to like, okay, because then they didn't have a good qualities, and it doesn't look like really defined like that. I have to say, you have to give it a lot of cool. Okay, good. So if you're happy with this, we're gonna